Before working with Natalie, my life was really miserable. It started probably 8 years before I met her. I didn't seek a doctor's help for the first 2 years. And when I did, I just went through the normal doctor, a gastroenterologist. After spending 3 years with him, I spent about 1.5 years with a holistic doctor, then with a naturopath, then a couple of other nutritionists before I finally got to her. The thing that really interested me about working with Natalie was when I initially contacted her. We set up a 20-minute conversation to decide whether we were a right fit for one another. And she really took a lot of time to listen to me and understand my problems and all. And I thought, I think this is the right person to work with right here. People in general are just so used to, and me myself, I was too, so used to working with Western medicine doctors and medicine. And it wasn't helping me, and it hadn't helped me. But until you're in a situation like the one I was in, you don't understand that stuff just doesn't work. And you're at a point to where you need to find another way. And I felt that after speaking with her, basically, that she was going to be my only way out. It was tough because I worked out in the field. I had a landscaping business. So I knew that after eating my lunch or whatever, I knew that within anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, I was going to have to find a bathroom. And it would happen almost daily. And then I would just feel nauseous for the remainder of the day. And it made my work really difficult to do. And after you do that and you feel nauseous for the day, it exhausts you. It takes a lot of your energy out of you. And it just made life and working a really tough thing to do at the time. And she really helped me pull through a lot of really tough times. And to that, I feel I owe her a lot. The way my life is different now since working with Natalie is by following her protocol, all of her suggestions, and following everything that she had set up for me. I can now feel a lot better about even leaving my house and going out. Going out to eat at one point, or going out just to do something, was totally off limits to me because I was just too worried about what was going to happen. What if there wasn't a bathroom? I think some of the main reasons I would recommend Natalie for somebody with stomach issues is because she not only takes a look at you from her functional medicine standpoint, but as a person too. She treats you like a person, and before you know it, you feel like you're a good friend with her. At least I did, and to this day I do. I mean, gosh, I would adopt the girl if she'd let me. That's how much I think of her. She's been fantastic. At one point, and she could tell, we had a Zoom call, and I was miserable that day. I'd come home, I was just feeling horrible. And we talked, and we went through our whole talk and everything. And after that, she gives you a visit summary the next day. You get a visit summary of what you've talked about. And as she went through, at the very bottom, she put a special note at the bottom for me, and she just says, I just want you to know that I will leave no rock unturned until I get you better. Natalie, I can't say thank you enough. I can't tell you how much I appreciate what you have done for me, but every suggestion you gave me has in one way or another helped me along my path all the way to getting to where I am right now. NELLO MAZZONI, Granite Bay, California.